Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to download and install ChatGPT official application on Android. How to do that, what you need to do is you need to go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap upon Google Play Store and there on the search bar you need to type in ChatGPT. Then tap on search. You will see a lot of application over here, but from here you need to download the official ChatGPT application, that is this one. So this is the official ChatGPT application. Now you need to tap on install and download the application on your phone at first. ChatGPT is a AI-powered language model that is developed by the OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text based on context and past conversation. This OpenAI ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversation and much more. This ChatGPT can answer your question and assist you with tasks such as composing email, essay, and code as well. The downloading process is completed. You tap on open and this is how you can easily download the ChatGPT application for your phone device on Android. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.